it's faster for you, it's easier for us, but something else, please let us know so we can change it. The calendar, I put the new one that you sent me in. I don't know if this is correct. From April 2026. Wait, let me scroll here. And it's, now, I don't know what editor gave you permissions for, but if you have permissions for the plugins, please don't touch them. I'll just show you where it is. So these are the plugins.
Yeah, we don't want to change any plugins.
Yeah, because they will usually pop up with there is a new version. The thing is, these things have other plugins that maybe don't work with the latest version of this. So it's the best call to just wait until to skip a version. So once the new version is out, you wait another one, so you upgrade, so you know all the bugs are fixed. So we basically don't. You see, it's 331 now. This one is 329. We should update this one, but please don't change. Don't touch this. Don't update even if it says to update, because it can break the other things like security.
Okay.
I just want to demonstrate you why this is important, because this thing is the most important of all. Let's see the dashboard, I think. Yeah, exactly this. You see, this is how many IPs were blocked since the creation of the website.
From what is that? How many countries have been blocked?
Yeah, how many users tried to log in using the VPN? So this is 194, 88, 71. So it's really important to not touch this, so this WordFence plugin works as it should.
I was going to say, how do you keep them from tacking on or tagging, right? They put articles in there or all sorts of stuff that generally has to be cleaned up. You guys do a monthly review of it?
Well, basically, if someone breaks in the website, these things will let us know, because it knows our IP addresses, like where it usually logging from.
Yeah.
So if someone, I don't know, logins from Singapore and it doesn't recognize it, it will tell you on the email. It will send you an email. Hey, this guy logged in with your credentials.
So you guys
these comments are nothing. We just delete them. I will probably disable them.
Yeah. Kind of like we get spam all the time through the Facebook one. So we don't need to be concerned with this. You guys have this on and you monitor that portion of it. So we don't.
The thing is, they usually don't put much effort into this. They just put a button and it tries to brute force it.
Yeah.
But they try with like the usual usernames. That's why we use root instead of admin, because they try admin and the user. We won't put this as your username, because we will try this. We will put something like maybe ban it or something, so they don't know. But it usually ends with the brute forcing. It shouldn't be something you worry about.
Okay.
But I wanted to put your attention to this, because if we upgrade some plugins, it can cause other ones to not work. So
the only thing I noticed is when after this was published is and it probably has nothing to do with our website, but with the fact that we did not renew our Augustine Hills email addresses. And all of a sudden, people must have jumped on that. We got a couple of emails with that email, which was kind of bizarre. But I don't think it stems from anything here.
Yeah, I think that's just the spam. But just as a precaution, I will remove, if I didn't already, I need to check it, but I will remove your email address. So the only way we can contact you is through the forums, because forums usually stop Yeah, that was probably before I removed the emails because they usually just pick this up and spam you with that. But when you have forms, they usually don't bother with that for spamming because that requires bots and stuff.
Nice.
But we removed the email, the spamming should stop, or at least be a lot less than it was.
Okay.
Now again, for the changes, this is for pretty simple changes, but I wouldn't recommend again that you change
Yeah.
like the whole things as they are. The pictures are fine and everything. Even if you mess up, just tell us. That's really important as well. If you mess something up, it's not an issue. Just tell us so we can run to the previous version.
Right. Okay.
But that's about it. Oh yeah, this thing has a lot of animations, so it knows to be slow. Also, like you see, it takes some time to load up because basically everything in here has an animation. So if you see something like this, don't be worried. Just wait a bit; it will fix itself.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, it's mostly words, right? We're gonna deal with updating the calendar and updating words for it, and pretty much that's it, right, guys?
Yes.
Mhm.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah.
I can repeat the process one more time if you want, just so you can see again how you change the text. If you
Just that would be great. Just one more time for the text.
Okay. So you see, you don't like this header, for example.
Mm-hmm.
You hover over it with your mouse. You click this pencil right here, and then you just change it under here to whatever you want.
Okay.
After you're done with the changes, so for example, I put one in here. Now it's a bit slower because it didn't load, but you put, for example, one in here. It's important to click this pink button, publish, and wait for it to do its thing. Now that it's done, you can go into the preview, and it will be published. For the images, it's pretty much the same concept. Oh yeah, now I can hear the buzzing sound. I don't know where that's coming from.
Yeah.
For the image, it's pretty much the same. Now sometimes you need to click this because it's in container, but basically it's either the pencil or this thing. It's in the edges, and you just see the image, it says image, and you go choose image. And you either pick one from here that are already on the website, loaded in.
And then we can upload new ones if we want.
Yeah, you just click upload, and you will select files, and then it will go to
Awesome.
Windows.
Because as we take new photos of this school year, we might want to upload events or photos that we want to do. So here's the last question I have. What if go to the testimony page or review page? What if we want to add a new review there?
Just a sec, I forgot on what page this is. The reviews were on. I think it was. Was it in about?
It's gotta be about us.
Yeah, down by the form, I think.
Oh yeah, we also changed this.
Oh, good. Thank you.
So it will be about the same. Let me just. Oh yeah, once you log in with your WordPress user, you will have this hotbar right here. If you remember, so you don't have to go into the dashboard and everything. You
Oh, got it. Okay. Okay.
That's why when I was showing you the website the first time, I went to the different browser because that thing is up there. So it made the website a bit small. Basically, the only issue that you can encounter is this. Just if when you click edit with Elementor, if it's stuck like this or if it's going slow, just let it be. Sometimes it's really, really slow. There's nothing we can do about it. It just works like that. It needs to load everything in, especially when there are animations. But once it loads in, it's pretty fast. Okay, so in here, basically it's the same process. However, this thing has these items. That's basically each one is an item. So when you want to change it, you just go here and change the text, and it will update automatically.
Okay.
But now I don't want to change it because I don't have the original text anymore. But this is the name, the title, and the content.
So
But-
if we want to add something, we would just add a new one.
Yeah, you just go add item, and it's already set up and everything.
Yeah.
So
Or
it's
we
the same
or we
procedure.
could just take one out and add it.
Yeah, you can either change it, you can add it. Basically, when you see this content tab, that's usually made for people, for clients. You know, that's why it's divided like this. So it's really, you know, it doesn't have a lot of options and everything, so you can just go and edit it. But
Yep.
if you wanted something in advance, there are a ton of options here for the people that make site. But usually, when you want to change something like this video here, it will be here in the content first thing usually. So you can just change it. That's pretty much for everything. If you want to change these things, it's the same procedure.
Okay.
There are these tabs here, the title, and you just change it, and you just change here the text. Now I need to close this. Oh yeah, if you mess something up, or you don't like how it ended up after you change it, just don't press publish and refresh the page of this. It will ask you, you didn't save anything. Yeah, I don't like it, I don't want to save, and you reload the page. But I don't think there will be need for that because they're simple text changes. But just so you know, if you mess something up, you can just reload the page and it will be back if you didn't publish it as it was before.
Okay. So
we have,
on the about page,
let me just use the original website. It's much faster. Okay, and about page.
wait, the about page, no, page one, sorry. My
Mhm.
bad. On page one, hold on, I'll tell you where. The schedule a consultation
Mhm.
all the way at the bottom.
Yeah.
It has a phone number.
Mhm.
Let's see. Yep, but if you click on the box,
Oh, I see. Our designer must have missed a link.
yeah.
I see that will be changed.
So that's the only thing I'm looking for at this point. I'm going to click on all these boxes and make sure that they all go somewhere there are no broken links,
Mhm.
right?
Yeah, I mean, we tested it, but something can slip through the cracks.
Yeah.
If you see any bugs or anything, please report it because we need
Yeah.
to change it for someone else. It's easy. Okay, this needs to be uploaded right after. But
And Angie, you're now getting, if there's any
Well, I submitted the form.
It
But I don't know where the form went to.
Oh, so
We
I
have,
just sent you a form. Can you check and see if you got it now, Angie?
Yeah, I tried one myself and it doesn't, I don't get them.
let me
Oh,
just
so
check.
they're not coming to info at Back to Basics for some reason.
Mm-mm.
Let me just check it.
No,
Here,
I just did a test when I was sitting here.
on the call.
Just make sure that Basics has an S in it. Back to Basics, yeah.
It's sending to Julie back to basicslearning.com. Should this be
No.
another email?
No, it should go to info at Back to Basics Learning.
Back to basicslearning.com, right?
Correct.
Right. Let me try it now.
That's not me. I get an airplane noise here. All right, so Angie, I just sent one. We'll give it a couple minutes, see if it comes through.
Oh yeah, check the spam folder. These forms usually go to spam, but once you take it out, once or twice you take it out of the spam folder, it will never go there again. So if you didn't go to
Yeah, it did go to spam.
Yeah, so now it's really important to just take it out of the spam. Absolutely, just don't report it, and you shouldn't have problems with this anymore. Okay, but it works now. Okay, I need to update to this email on the other page as well.
You must go to some kind of junk on your, Julie, because I don't get it on mine.
It's going to the junk box.
Yeah, it doesn't go on there on mine. I mean, I don't get it at all.
All right, so it says here, never send future emails from email at Augustine Hills to junk folder.
Yeah. You just press that.
Yeah, I am marking it as safe.
I mean, basically, this form, it's really complicated to explain, but they are sent from some emails, who knows where, on WordPress, so the Google thinks it's spam, but...
Yeah. Angie, if you don't, in your spam or junk folder, you didn't get it because the one that was sent at 128 came to info. And it didn't get quarantined. It actually came through. And I see the one that you sent. That came directly to me before he changed it.
Yeah, I'm not getting them at all.
That's weird.
Just check maybe...
This one came to info.
I mean, this should work right now as intended. I just need to...
All right, now that I've marked these, not to send them to junk folder, just try sending one more.
Let's just send it out. Did you receive the test 2 email? I sent another one.
So that one came right directly into my inbox, and it's for info. So I've got test 2, and then Angie, I just got yours.
Yeah, I'm not getting any of them.
That's kind of weird.
Maybe your email.
We're definitely getting them in the info box. Angie, we need to take a look at while I don't believe your inbox is getting info.
I do get info. I just got another one from a parent the other day that wasn't from a parent. It was junk.
Yeah, but since we changed your
No.
password, have you gotten it?
No.
Okay, so that's what it might have to do with your password or something.
Mhm.
We'll have to take a look at this because they're definitely coming to info because they're coming into mine.
Okay.
So I don't know where they would be going otherwise. Especially now that they're marked that they're not spam. Info's not coming to you for some reason. So we'll take a look at that.
Mhm.
Okay. All right. I think anybody else have any questions on how to change anything?
I'm good.
Just a sec, Ms. Bennett, while we're still in the call. I changed this one on the home page as well, just to test it. If it works. Okay, it's sent. Did you get test 3?
Hold on. Yep.
Okay, perfect. Now the both of them work.
I got all 3 of those tests. So
Okay,
well,
perfect.
or info did. I should say. I see they're coming through to info. So okay.
You shouldn't have the spam problem now. I would still check it maybe a day or 2 after, but it should all come to the main
Okay.
mailbox now.
Okay.
Do you have any questions, maybe?